In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Grove Collaborative unboxing. I've been seeing Grove Collaborative all around the internet, so I wanted to see what they were about and share it with you guys. If you guys don't know, Grove Collaborative is a website that sells like all natural products, beauty products, personal hygiene, baby products, and cleaning products. I've been trying to use more clean products, eat clean, all of that. I'm just trying to surround myself with as much positivity as possible these days. So majority of the stuff is cleaning products that I got. At some point, I do plan on doing like beauty products. But I want to start doing clean with me's on my channel, and I want to do like a mommy-daughter clean with me. So that's why I decided to do my first order, mostly cleaning products. And Mrs. Meyer's has this geranium scent that I really wanted to try. So if you guys are interested in this video and you want to see clean with me's, those types of videos, then give this video a thumbs up and keep on watching. They always have great offers as well. Like I know right now you can get a $25 free Mrs. Meyer set. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave that below. So I'm just gonna get right into the unboxing. So I think this was one of my free offers. I got a chef towel. I believe there was multiple colors, but some nice dish towels. They do make it so that way nothing spills. They taped the nozzle right up top. So the first thing that I got is this Method antibacterial toilet cleaner. Cleans 99.9% of household germs. Cleans and disinfects, and of course, Method is known for being a clean product. All these products are. So I'm gonna take out all the paper first. So here is the beauty product that I got. I picked the Cure Seriously Soothing Micellar Cleansing Towelettes. Like, I'm really into the Garnier cleaning products for my face, so I definitely wanted to try these micellar cleansing towelettes. So then I also got the Method dish soap. This is the hellocrisst apple with a non-toxic plant-based power green technology for a sparkling clean. Then I also got the Mrs. Meyer's Clean All Day. This is the multi-purpose spray, and this is in the geranium scent. I heard that the geranium scent smells amazing. I'm actually going to open it up right now. But I don't know, for spring cleaning, I just want to open up all my windows. It's like beautiful today in Jersey. It does smell really, really good. Like, it's definitely very, very fragrant. It makes me want to use it right now. It smells so good. But I just want to open up all my windows and start cleaning. This is the room freshener, again in the geranium scent. I cannot wait for my house to smell like this. I'm typically not into floral scents, but I definitely think that I'm gonna like this. I just hope it's not too strong. So then I got the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Glass Cleaner. I'm interested to try this. I'm really picky with glass cleaners. I hate the smell of Windex. Then I got the Windex without ammonia. Again, it just leaves streaks. It says it doesn't, but it does. So I'm interested to try this to see how it works. I can't wait to try these in a clean with me, and I hope Aaliyah actually does the clean with me. Oh, and then I think this was also a free gift that I got. This is the Grove Collaborative Bubble Up. This is the soap dispenser and dish and brush set. No, it's such a pretty box. I just, ooh, ruined it. So this is the brush, and it says Grove Collaborative on it. Oh, this is cute. So you have like a little place to set it. And it has like a little spring, so that way the water gets soaked up in there. Super, super cute. Brushes are definitely needed when it comes to dishwashing. So that is everything that I got from Grove Collaborative. The scent of everything just makes me want to start cleaning now. I can't wait for this weekend because that's when I'm going to start filming my clean with me's. Hopefully I'll get it up on Sunday. I think I'm going to do it Saturday, put it up Sunday, but then I also have Slay Mom Saturday on Saturday. So we'll see how it works. I hope you guys like these types of videos. Maybe at some point I'll do like a beauty haul or a beauty unboxing, personal hygiene from them. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think below. I know this is different, but I do want to switch it up and get different things out there. So if you want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so that way you never miss a video, because now YouTube favors the home screen more instead of your subscription feed. Don't know if you guys have noticed that. So make sure you hit the notification button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.